If you want to listen to music on your Android phone while you're on a call, it can be done, although these phones are designed to cut the music when a phone call connects for obvious reasons. I'm going to hop into Spotify first and play some music. Technically, it doesn't matter what app you're using for music playback here, but you'll want to use something that supports background playback, where the music continues while you're using other apps. Also, a side note, the music is playing on my phone, but I won't include the music in this video, so I won't get hit with a copyright strike. Now, while the song is playing, I'll call someone. Doesn't matter if you're calling them or if they call you. We'll just want to get a phone call going. And as you already know, when the call connects, your music stops. Then we're going to swipe down the notification shade from the top left corner, and this will show your song here, and you can also tap play to continue playing the music. The person you're on the phone with doesn't hear the music as long as the music is playing in your earpiece and not on the phone's speakers. And at least on my phone, the music automatically goes to the earpiece when I'm on a phone call. I believe on some phones, the music starts playing on the speakers when you put the call on your speaker, but this Samsung Galaxy phone of mine doesn't do it. Every Android model is slightly different though, so yours might behave differently. And yeah, that's how you play music while on a call. Leave a comment if this helped and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks all!